Fashion. It'll give you everything you want. Can you handle it?
Fashion. It can buy you everything. It can get you everywhere. But are you ready to sell your soul to the devil?
Fashion is much more than style. It's your life.
Fashion. It's bloody ruthless.
You really want to know what is fashion all about? Join me behind the ramp.
You can come get some, get some, get some. You can come get some.
फैशन आइडिया केम टू मी जब मैं पेज 3 और कॉर्पोरेट बन रहा था, दो जो हाई सोसाइटी का सब्जेक्ट था, तो उस टाइम मुझे लगा कि एक फैशन इंडस्ट्री का पर भी अच्छा सब्जेक्ट बन सकता है, क्योंकि बड़ा इंट्रिगिंग था कि कॉमन मैन जो होता है वो हमेशा देखता है कि रैम्प पे लड़कियां चल रही है, मॉडल्स है, डिजाइनर्स है। तो मुझे लगा कि एक कॉमन मैन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हमेशा जानना चाहेगा कि रैम्प के पीछे जो होता है किस तरह से लोग जुड़े हुए फैशन इंडस्ट्री से, कहाँ से आते मॉडल्स, डिजाइनर्स और क्या इनकी कहानियां हैं।
एरोगेंस बन जाएगा। एक्शन।
हेलो हेलो माँ मेघना। मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम है मेघना माथुर और वो चंडीगढ़ में रहती है और उसका हमेशा से सपना रहा है कि वो मॉडल बनना चाहती है, एक्टिंग कभी नहीं, मॉडल। शी इज़ वेरी क्लियर अबाउट दैट। और वो कैसे मुंबई आती है और उसकी जर्नी शुरू होती है। बहुत जल्दी उसकी ज़िंदगी में सक्सेस आ जाती है एंड आई थिंक यू नो शी इज़ ऑलमोस्ट डेस्टिनीज चाइल्ड। उसकी ज़िंदगी में बार बार कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है।
तो मॉडल बनने आई हो? जी नहीं, सुपर मॉडल।
जो मेरा किरदार है उनका नाम है सोनाली गुजराल। वो बहुत बड़ी सुपर मॉडल हैं और एकदम बिगड़ी हुई है। पूरी इंडस्ट्री ने उसको स्पॉइल करके रखा हुआ है और उन लोगों में से हैं जिनको सक्सेस बहुत जल्दी, बहुत अर्ली एज पे मिल जाता है और जिसकी उन्हें कदर नहीं होती।
ये किरदार है एक लड़के का जिसका नाम है मानव भसीन। इसका शुरू में टाइम दिखाते हैं दैट ही स्ट्रगलिंग एंड गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ डिजेक्शंस। ही हैज अ ट्रैक विद मेघना, दैट इज प्रियंका इन द फिल्म, लाइक हाउ दे मीट एट अ पॉइंट व्हेन दे आर बोथ स्ट्रगलिंग एंड हाउ दे कम क्लोज एंड हाउ दे फॉल इन लव।
मेरा किरदार है एक मॉडल का, जैसे फैशन नाम जाता है, जैनेट सिक्वेरा। और शी इज़ अ वेरी वाइब्रेंट, आउटगोइंग, वेरी बोल्ड, आउटस्पोकन एंड जो मन में आए वो करेगी एंड जो मन में आए वो बोलेगी। फोटो में बड़ा स्माइल लेने का। And then transition happens in her life and she completely changes and that's a nice change I have from a punk girl to completely nice demure girl. काम किया ना तुमने?
हर पिक्चर में मैंने रिसर्च किया है, तो इसमें भी वो 6-8 महीने गए अलग अलग लोगों से मिलके। पहले कुछ डर भी गए लोग कि बात करने के लिए डर गए कि मधुर है, पता नहीं यार किस तरह की ये बहुत रियल फिल्म में बनाता, तो बात करने में डर रहे थे लोग, मॉडल्स, डिजाइनर की बात करो तो। लेकिन मैंने उनको बताया भाई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, वी आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू डिमीन एनीबॉडी, वी आर नॉट, हम कोई कटाक्ष नहीं करे किसी पे। ये जो फिल्म है आप फिल्म के हिसाब से देखिए। तो कहीं ऐसी चीज़ें मुझे रियलिस्टिक जैसे वे में हम रिसर्च करते गए तो हमें मिली, लेकिन हाँ उसको कंसाइज करना पड़ा कि हम रियल वे में अगर जाएंगे इसको बनाने के लिए तो मैं 3-4 फैशन बना सकता हूँ।
It's not just cat fights and just gossiping and bitching around. It is a very emotional journey. Like I think Madhur sir has got the right way. Like as a model, I can understand what another model goes through. I understand when someone says something to us, what we feel, and he's got that.
What did you say? छोटी सी बात. Showstopper dress है ये. You understand that? पूरा मीडिया देखेगा, पूरा मीडिया।
काइंड ऑफ स्पेकुलेशन ऑलरेडी इज जनरेटेड बाय फैशन के इट इज बेसिकली ये जो फिल्म है जो शिवानी कपूर की स्टोरी कोई कह रहा है, कोई बोला है कोई केट मॉस की स्टोरी है, कोई कह रहा है कि गीतांजलि नागपाल की स्टोरी या कैरल ग्रेशियस की है। कई चीज़ें तो हम इंस्पायर हुए इसमें, हम ये नहीं कहेंगे कि नहीं बोल के, और हमने उसको इनकॉर्पोरेट किया है कि ना कि हमारी पिक्चर का थीम डायग्रेस करके, ना ही कि उसको हमने ऐसी सिचुएशन पर डाला है कि हमको लगी नहीं ये फिट बैठेगा। हमने बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से उसको पिरोया है पूरी स्क्रीन प्ले में, और मेरे ख्याल से वो जो दृश्य अगर आप देखें तो फिर ज़्यादा आपको उसका इम्पैक्ट आएगा।
मेल फंक्शन आई थिंक खुद होना आसान है, लेकिन उसको क्रिएट करना बहुत मुश्किल है। सो कैसे वो कॉस्ट्यूम में क्या खराबी हुई और कैसे वो निकल जाए, इट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू रिलेट टू सर्कमस्टांस लाइक दैट, अ सिचुएशन लाइक दैट. Because I don't know how a woman would feel when she is like naked in front of whole media, for God's sake. Like, you know, even if they are people, your friends, your alternate slips down or whatever, you know, it's a different story. But like in front of media with million cameras and they are then showing it on television. So, but being an actor, you have to sit, think and become that woman for that particular time and go through her emotion, what she would feel, and that's what I did. It's difficult, definitely difficult. It's not something like it's a very unusual emotion you have to go through. When Madhu told me Kangana was doing Shonali's character, I knew it was perfect casting. You needed somebody like that for Shonali. Plus, she's got the body structure of a model. I mean, I really had to work hard at it, but she just had it. And her wild mane and her hair, and I think she's just so fantastic as Shonali. When you come out of the film, you will 100% say कि Kangana blew our mind because she is so convincing as that character.
I thought अभी मैं मॉडल हूँ, मॉडल का किरदार निभा रही हूँ तो मुझे कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. लेकिन when I was like they told me acting and all, I have never done acting in my life. Everything was new to me. Coming on the sets, getting ready, going on the in front of the camera, waiting in the vanity, for everything new to me because we never do that. We always go get makeup done, loiter around here and there. So action, lights, camera, action, सब new था मेरे लिए. So everything was a new experience. I was just sitting, observing, and looking at people. I was looking Priyanka how she's doing. I was looking Kangana how she's doing. I was looking at Madhu sir how he's directing, how he's telling people things, how things are moving around. So I was just observing.
Similarities, I think, were there only from the fact that okay, we hail from a small town. But otherwise, it was very different. I had to do almost opposite in many ways of what I am as a person.
फैशन जो है, मैंने कोई टेक्निकल नहीं बात हम नहीं बता रहे कि आपको ये कपड़े पहनने चाहिए या इस तरह के कलेक्शन आपको पहनने चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है. फैशन के अंदर की पॉलिटिक्स जो होती है वैसा उस तरह का भी नहीं है. फैशन जो है एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है, बहुत ही इमोशनल है. प्रियंका चोपड़ा जो कि एक जर्नी है उसकी, चंडीगढ़ से आती है किस तरह से मुंबई और अपना स्ट्रगल करती है यहाँ पे एज अ मॉडल बनने के लिए, और किन लोगों से वो मिलती है. जैसे कंगना रनावत है, वो एक मॉडल है. मुग्धा गोडसे दूसरी मॉडल है. कहीं अलग जो उनका बॉयफ्रेंड प्ले कर रहा है अर्जुन बाजवा है. तो कहीं ऐसे लोगों से वो मिलती है मॉडलिंग इंडस्ट्री में. और अप्स एंड डाउन्स क्या होता है, प्रीमाइस जो फैशन वर्ल्ड के है, किस तरह से एक कहीं चीज़ें अनफोल्ड होती जाती है पिक्चर में.
Madhur as the captain of the ship was, I mean, he's a real master. His sense of story, his sense of drama, his way of taking on performances from people. I mean, I'm sure that Priyanka and Kangana will both agree that the best performances of their lives have been fashion.
ये जगह ही कुछ ऐसी है, कब क्या बदल जाए कुछ पता नहीं चलता.
Jalwa, Jalwa. Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Gorgeous with attitude and every latitude. Miss Hot Booty, come on, baby, do your duty. What? जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, किस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी है ये जलवा, मकसद भी है ये जलवा. Tell them like it is. I can't hear.
यहाँ पे everything has to be looking good, beautiful, the clothes, the kind of grandeur we needed in the film, the sets, the opulence जो चाहिए था, वो हर चीज़ बड़ी चाहिए थी हमें. The models, जो हमने models के साथ काम किया, वो और real models. नॉयनिका, आंचल कुमार, जसी रंधावा, बिनाल त्रिवेदी, जो they are big in fashion industry. So उन्होंने बहुत ही कोऑपरेट किया. मैंने एक शॉट हमको कई बार 10 बार लेने पड़ते थे कि जाइए शॉट बराबर नहीं हुआ, एक बार रैम्प पे तो उनको एक शॉट में एक ही बार आके जाना पड़ता था, लेकिन यहाँ 8-8, 10 बार आए, लेकिन किसी ने कुछ नहीं बोला. They were so cooperative.
Madhu was very, very clear that he needed something that people, a cross section of people would be able to identify with the shows in terms of they had to be glamorous, they had to be beautiful. We needed them to be aspirational, but it couldn't be over the top. Then I worked with the designers on concept. We had Narendra Kumar, who was fantastic. Then we had Gavin Miguel. And then, of course, we worked with Anamika Khanna, and we did the finale with her.
I instantly knew that yes, I was okay with her doing the film because she had her homework done so well कि मैं 5 looks दूंगी. She said, we discussed it and we decided that we're going to do 5 looks for Meghna. When she comes back from Chandigarh, when she becomes, almost a model, struggling model से almost a model, when she becomes a supermodel, उसके बाद, there's a part of her life that is very difficult for her. That is another look. And then the end of the film, that's another look.
I think it's the most stylish film I have done. जो भी उन्होंने कपड़े दिए थे सब किरदार्स को, वो ऐसा नहीं था कि सिर्फ स्टाइलिश थे. They were very much in the character also.
I had color. I used to wear a lot of accessories. I used to wear a lot of black, like black nail paint, and I had a tattoo and hairband. A lot of funky, full funky girl. So Madhu sir used to call it Komra look. He used to say, "Komra raka banu, Komra raka banu."
I have 137 changes in this film. And that's a lot of changes. And so many characters to do.
Everybody was very cooperative. Everybody was like Priyanka, Kangna, Mugdha. They were absolutely amazing.
उनको पल्स पता है कहानी का, and I think that is what makes his films relate with people most. क्योंकि वो एक सीन देख के पता कर लेंगे, okay, हाँ, okay. He's like that. इतनी आसानी से उनको, he knows exactly what he wants.
It's a beautiful performance role. I think really Priyanka is one of the most landmark cinema in terms of her performance and in terms of the ups and downs, the shade she got in the film.
I learned a lot also, even the co-actors and everything. I used to see how he works with others, and he's really genius. I have to say that.
Like there's a myth models can't act because she's a successful model in the fashion industry. So she shocked us by giving takes in one take. She was so accurate. She acted like a very seasoned actress. Like she knew what exactly she's doing. She knows the dialogues kaise bolna hai.
I was there on the sets and it was, I never felt that no butterflies and all came. I was very excited and they made me feel very comfortable. So it was completely good. They clapped and all after first scene. So I was like, yay, I've done a very great job.
जो तजुर्बा है और जो उन्होंने जिंदगी देखी है, वो उसके रहते हुए वो कभी ऐसा सिनेमा बना ही नहीं सकते कि जो एकदम पॉपकॉर्न टाइप सिनेमा हो, कि पॉपकॉर्न खाया और वो टिकट फाड़ के निकल गए.
जब स्क्रिप्ट लिखी गई तो हमने कंगना को ही, मेरे राइटर टीम ने भी कंगना को ही हमने नजर में रखा था कि कंगना रोल प्ले करेगी.
डायरेक्टर इज द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप एंड उनको बिगर पिक्चर दिखाई देता है. एज कैरेक्टर्स हम सबको हमारे पार्ट्स दिखाई देते हैं. But he kept the involvement of everybody so much on this film that I think he was a great guiding force in this movie.
When I was shooting the big ramp show, it was difficult to control the crowd. 400-500 ka crowd, everybody, models, lighting, everything was taking like, I used to always think, I used to feel very restless कि अरे कल फिर हम लोग एक रैम शो शूट करना है. But we had lot of technical team जो अच्छे थे. My cameraman who worked with me in corporate and traffic से Mahesh Lime has done a brilliant job. Nitin Desai, the kind of sets he created. हमने कोशिश की कि हम सेट जो है वो हर सेट अलग रहेगी, 11 सेट्स है पिक्चर में, बट ऑब्वियसली व्हेन यू सी अ फाइनल रिजल्ट यू फील वाओ दिस इज समथिंग ग्रेट, तो खुशी भी मिलती है।
Fashion has, I mean, it has all the glamour. It has all the fashion shows and the glitterati and the media thing and all that. But what it does really strongly very much have is the story of a girl from zero to hero and back to zero. So that whole thing, we wanted to bring it in the music as well.
More than anything, I like the title track of not the title track, the theme of fashion. Ta 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 ta. I think that's outstanding.
Although the film is very kind of urban, but I felt like to bring that Indianness in the movie is very important. So we used a santoor as the main theme instrument.
It also is very feminine as an instrument, so it goes very well.
And then it carried on. We did Kuch Khas Hai, which is a love song between Manav and Meghna.
कुछ खास है, कुछ पास है, कुछ अजनबी एहसास है, कुछ दूरियां नजदीकियां, कुछ हंस पड़ी तन्हाइयां, क्या ये खुमार है या एतबार है, शायद ये प्यार है शायद।
Mar Java is my favorite song, and that also features me. It turned out nice because it has a nice combination of Shruti Pathak doing the vocals and I'm doing the Arabic stuff, and it's a beautiful loungy song.
I think the music of the film has a lot of essence to it. It's a lot of soul.
My movies are always say कि मधुर की फिल्म में जो होता है लिप सॉन्ग नहीं होता है, वो पीछे बैकग्राउंड में चलाता रहता है. I really feel कि जो realism मेरा चल रहा है, let it be, it should not get in. All of a sudden, actor and actress is bursting into song on the streets.
I love the Mar Java song because I heard that song and I started crying. And I saw the whole thing. It was really touching, very nice.
I wanted to really bring in the word fashion in the movie. Now, fashion doesn't have many rhymes. So I thought, let's just use the word jalwa and, fashion ka hai ye jalwa, and probably work out like a nice Sufi rock kind of a song. Ye jalwa, fashion ka hai ye jalwa, ye jalwa, ye jalwa, fashion ka hai ye jalwa. I think it's probably our best work in this year.
So one of the finest, I would say.
Everybody shout it out. Let me get you sing along. Let's go.
I make serious cinema, but shooting में आप देखेंगे तो मुझे बहुत ही मजाक, मस्ती, भंकस जिसको हम कहेंगे, और जोक्स मारते रहते, मिमिक्री करते रहता हूँ मैं सेट पे.
इतने फन लविंग है, मुझे तो लगता है उनको कॉमेडी फिल्म बनानी चाहिए. ऐसे सीरियस फिल्में कहाँ से बनाते हैं, आई डोंट नो.
जी बताइए, जनता जानना चाहिए कैसे लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पे सेट पे.
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है.
Priyanka is again another experienced actor, so she used to tell me, you should do this, you should do that, you should not do this, you should not do that, and I'm like, okay, I'm learning. And she's like, yeah, you're learning really fast. I said, okay, fine.
मुग्धा ने तो मुझे मराठी भी सिखाई. मैं विशाल जी की फिल्म कर रही हूँ अभी कमीने, और उसके लिए वो बैठ के मुझे मराठी सिखाती थी, क्योंकि वो महाराष्ट्रियन है.
She taught me actually how to put glycerine because we had one scene where I had to put glycerine and I had no clue how to do that. I was making my eyes red, so she told me take a brush and normally you should do it this way and all. And so on I started doing that and I rehearsed at home also. So I guess I learned a little bit from both of them. Yeah.
Kangana, so talented. I mean, she's raw, pure talent.
Priyanka basically is a very sunshine person.
Plus, as a person, I was amazed that we got along really well. Because, Kangana is this very outlandish kind of girl. But we got along really, really well.
She doesn't have any hang-ups और हमेशा ये नहीं है कि एक दिन प्रियंका आपको अलग मूड में मिलेगी, दूसरे दिन किसी और मूड में. उसका एक ही मूड है constant, which is very bright, you know.
And, when it came to everything, sitting and cracking, girly jokes and ordering food and, doing all those things, hanging out in the van and just kind of hanging out together. And I'm really glad I got to know these girls because I think through the duration of the film, we have become friends and it's really nice to have that.
3 लड़कियां थी, बहुत खूबसूरत 3 लड़कियां थी. मधुर सर थे, मैं था, कोई ना कोई और इन्वॉल्व रहता था, टेक्नीशियंस थे. We used to have a great time on the set.
We as a company realized that this is a film that requires A-grade production values. This is a film that requires scale. So right from the beginning when we budgeted the film, we realized that the kind of canvas that this film needs to be given to it.
UTV. They have somehow convinced me to do 4 films. Every film I'm doing right now is UTV. I don't know what has happened. I feel like I'm brand ambassador of UTV now.
It's the first time where we are jointly making the film UTV Motion Pictures and Bhandarkar Entertainment. For me, it's my first venture, first movie, first big movie. I feel very happy about it because one, Ronnie and me again wanted to work from last 4-5 years. He always believed in my cinema and he gave me all the leverage, all the liberty which as a co-producer, as a filmmaker one needs to.
I think they are very organized and everything is like, it's a new experience. There is a message to society, there is entertainment, there is reality. कोई भी फालतू कोई सिनेमा की लिबर्टी लेके ऐसा नहीं कि लोगों को बेवकूफ बनाया जाए या कोई delusions दिए जाएं about fashion world.
It's a product of a lot of labor and love.
People are eager to see the film.
I think this film is going to do really very well.
Probably the movie of the year, I think.
Everyone says only one thing. I'm waiting to see your film.
I would only hope for the best.
The critics will love the film.
I think the audience will love it better.
Fashion is going to put him in a totally different league.
I'm sure people from Chandni Bar to Traffic Signal have liked my cinema. I got a decent track record. All my films have done good at the box office. People have liked the cinema, critically acclaimed cinema, national award cinema. So I'm sure, I hope people will like fashion also in the same way.